It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 23rd of June. I'm Michael Groff. It's a glorious morning out there. Cloudy skies, some light rain, even a few rumbles of thunder across the Central and West Valley. And we will see a continuation of showers and storms around parts of the state today and into tonight. But don't get used to it because we do start to dry out and warm up for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend. But indications that moisture will return, an increasing chance of rain for next week, as it does appear that our monsoon gets cranked up in earnest by that point. All right, let's talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 110 degrees was the afternoon high, 87 the morning low, the normal high 106, the normal low 81. No rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor yesterday, although a few spots did see at least a trace, even a few hundredths of an inch across the valley. As we take a look outside right now here at 8:40 a.m., showers, a few rumbles of thunder out there, cloudy sky. And at Sky Harbor Airport, it's 86 degrees, dew point at 61, relative humidity 43%, wind from the northwest at 12 miles per hour. The barometer is steady, and Sky Harbor has so far picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain. So our first measurable rain of the monsoon season has occurred. Temperatures this morning, you can see where it's been raining out in the West Valley. We have readings in the upper 70s and low 80s, just a little bit warmer than that, mid to upper 80s for the Central and East Valley. Radar right now shows a band of showers extending from western Pinal County up through the west and central portions of the greater Phoenix area, northeastward into Gila County, and those will persist for the next couple of hours. The upper air look this morning, a rather similar setup to what we had yesterday, that area of low pressure off the central and northern California coast, combined with a ridge to the east of us, has put Arizona under a southerly flow that's increased the moisture. We also have a weak disturbance moving into the state this morning, and that's given rise to those scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Here's the watch warning map, the two big weather headlines out here across the west, the continued high fire danger. Thus, we have our red flag warnings and the heat. Excessive heat watch is now in effect for much of the Pacific Northwest. In fact, they could see temperatures exceeding 110 degrees over parts of eastern Washington and Oregon in coming days. And just to illustrate that point, I pulled these temperatures off the national blend of models for Spokane, and highs getting up to around 106 or 107 early next week. They could be just as hot as we are, which is unreal. All right, here's the convective outlook for today. We've got a couple of slight risk areas, one across Nebraska, another one over the arrowhead of Minnesota into northern Wisconsin. Here in Arizona, the entire state in the green, so certainly some thunder will be possible just about anywhere through today and tonight. The precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix pretty light, well under 1/10 of an inch for most of us. Some spots won't see anything at all. Somewhat higher totals, of course, over the mountains, the high country, those favored upslope areas of northern and eastern Arizona as usual. But we'll get into our changing weather pattern here as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Got our upper low to the west, ridge to the east, a disturbance moving through here today, southerly flow across Arizona. So down at the surface today, mostly cloudy this morning. Scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms. They will give way to partly sunny sky and just a slight chance of showers and storms redeveloping this afternoon. High temperatures, upper 90s to around 103. Definitely cooler than we have been for quite a while. And readings below average. But the humidity levels will be up, so it will feel a bit more uncomfortable, but we'll definitely take that trade-off. Tonight, slight chance of evening showers and storms. Otherwise, partly cloudy, overnight lows, upper 70s to mid-80s. And then tomorrow, an isolated shower or storm possible over the higher terrain. But here in Phoenix, we turn mostly sunny, warmer. High temperatures getting back to around 101 to 105. We'll tack on a couple of degrees for Friday. Highs 103 to 107 with high pressure building in and the heights coming up just a bit. Over the weekend, models continue to back off on the excessive heat building in. I still think high temperatures 106 to 110 seem likely for Saturday with a sunny sky. On Sunday, we see high pressure building over the Pacific Northwest, the flow aloft gradually starting to turn out of the east, so moisture will slowly increase. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms return to the eastern mountains. And I can't completely rule out some gusty winds maybe getting into the lower deserts, the East Valley on Sunday evening. And high temperatures pretty hot here. This might be the hottest day of our forecast period with readings around 108 to 112. On Monday, ridging to the north and west of us, easterly flow developing here, widely scattered. Late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms developing. Some of those will get into the lower deserts. High temperatures will trend down a couple of degrees. On Tuesday, the ridge very strong over the Pacific Northwest, and a deeper easterly flow develops here. Can't rule out some disturbances in that flow, although those are very hard to time. But the GFS here shows scattered to even numerous showers and thunderstorms developing in the afternoon and evening hours. So the rain chances would pick up here. For now, we're going with a 30% chance of rain on Tuesday. Very much a monsoonal forecast. And high temperatures would be at or maybe even a couple of degrees below average with the added clouds and humidity. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday the 30th, a very intense ridge, 597 heat dome across eastern Washington and northern Idaho. So they would be roasting, but down here, deep easterly flow continues. So a rather unsettled weather pattern scattered to numerous afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms across much of the state, including the lower deserts. Good chance we could see some showers and storms sometime next week, and temperatures would continue to trend down. Then, as we go out 10 days, this is Friday, the 2nd of July, no change in the weather pattern. 594 ridge continues across Washington and Oregon, an east or northeasterly flow here, and disturbances rotating around that system to occasionally enhance shower and thunderstorm activity. So a typical kind of moderate grade monsoon forecast in effect. So scattered to numerous showers and storms would continue. GFS being rather robust on moisture at that time. And here's a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble, and every single member has some measurable rain for Phoenix during this period. The ensemble mean around a half an inch, and that continues to trend upward. So confidence is increasing that our monsoon season will be picking up finally here over the Southwest. I say finally because we really haven't had one over the last couple of years. It's nice to see that maybe it starts a little early this year, and maybe that's a good sign for us. We'll just have to see. And temperatures off the GFS ensemble for the next couple of weeks. Highs pretty close to average for the most part on any given day. It's actually got us staying below 100 today. Not sure about that. Overnight lows mainly mid to upper 80s. So things looking pretty good for us going forward. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool, enjoy the rain. Watch your kids around the swimming pool, and have yourselves a beautiful Wednesday.